Good morning, children. Welcome for today's lecture. So, all the lessons from the textbook I have explained, portions have been sent to you. Go through it carefully. Each and everything from nook and corner I have explained, notes and all I have given you. Now, a little bit of punctuation, who said to whom, that I will be giving on the board. Today, I am going to take lesson from grammar. So, in the previous lecture, for a few lectures before, I had explained to you adjectives. First, I'll explain to you adjective, then we will move on to this portion so that you can understand properly. And this is grammar, base of English. So, listen carefully, concentrate, register in your mind. This is not only for 6th standard, as I always say. Higher classes also, this will be useful to you. So, listen carefully. Okay, come on. Adjectives. I had taken adjective lesson. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that tells more about a noun. It adds something to the meaning of a noun. It is also called describing word. So, 3 definition. Adjective means that says something about a noun. Second point. It adds something to the meaning of the noun. Then it describes the noun. So, say something about the noun, then it tells the meaning of the noun and it describes the noun. 3 point, that is adjective. How to find out an adjective? If they say noun and it is described, it is adjective. It is, if the meaning is given, meaning of the noun is saying, it is adjective. And if it describes the noun, it is an adjective. For example, I have given you Mumbai has many tall buildings. So, what is the noun here? Mumbai. What Mumbai is having? Tall, what? Buildings. So, noun is building. Mumbai is also noun. Building is also noun. Building is being described. How it is being described? Saying the height, tall. So, that is adjective. So, understood? That so I have taken that and explained it to you a few lectures before. Today is degrees of comparison of adjectives. So here I have given the definition. The form of an adjective can be changed to show the comparison of quality between two or more things. This change in form is called the degree of comparison. The form of an adjective, how the adjective is, can be changed. It can be changed. How it is written, it can be changed. How it can be changed to show the comparison of quality between two or more things. Using two or more things, we can show the comparison of this adjective. This change is called the degree of comparison. That is called degree of comparison. So, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. So, what is the definition? The form of an adjective can be changed to show the comparison of quality. Quality of comparison can be changed by showing 2 or more things. Understood what it is? The adjective can be changed to show the comparison of quality by 2 or more things. This change is called degrees of comparison. 3 degrees are there: positive, comparative, superlative. So example is given: good, better, best; bad, worse, worst; little, less, least; much, more, most. Sometimes here it will be given positive, sometimes positive will be given, superlative being you will have to fill your this. Sometimes this will be given, you will have to fill up here. Sometimes this will not be given, this too will be given, you will have to. Near, nearer, nearest; hot, hotter, hottest. Understood? This is the degree of comparison. So, what is the definition you see? The form of adjective can be changed to show the comparison of quality. Adjectives form can be the form of adjective can be changed. How? By showing the comparison of quality between 2 or more things. So this is called degree of comparison. What are the degrees of comparison? Positive, comparative, superlative. Here I have given you example. 2 more example I have given. Hot, hotter, hottest. Near, nearer, nearest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Understood this? Now similes. In poem, similes is a figure of speech. Always it is used to add better poetic effect. Comparison, as, that is simile. It is a figure of speech. So what is simile? Is a comparison between two unlike things having same common quality. There are two things, but they may not be same, but they have the common quality in it. That is simile. Understand properly? Two things totally different, but qualities, so there may be something same to the quality in between those things. That is simile. This comparison is usually shown by the phrase construction as. How simile is shown? How can we understand that it is a simile? If it is as black as a coal, C-O-A-L, as hot as iron, as red as blood. As no, two extreme things but quality same. That is simile. In this construction, the first blank is filled with an adjective. Second blank is filled with the name of the thing. That is used to compare. First is adjective, second compare. Similes add beauty to writing. See, as black as coal. Sometimes we can say like this also. As black as crow. As hot as an iron. Isn't it? So in the same way, and this simile is used to get a better poetic effect. That is why the poets use simile in poems. It's a figure of speech. Understood? So example is written here. As brittle as glass, as dry as a bone, as light as a feather, as proud as a peacock. Understood? Then after this, in the same thing in your textbook in page number 24, if you will refer, complete the following comparison. See, as white as given, I have given it to you in your CW, as notes are given it to you. Just refer, go through that page number 24. So understood? This is the degrees of comparison. Again I am telling you once more, very important. Adjective means explaining a noun, then it describes the, tells now about the noun, it adds something to the meaning of noun, then it is called describing word. That is adjective. Degrees of comparison of adjective, the form of adjective can be changed to show the comparison of quality between two or more things, and they are known as degree of comparison. This is positive, comparative, superlative, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, near, nearer, nearest, then hot, hotter, hottest, all those things you can write. Then simile, comparison between two unlike things but having certain same quality. Poet use the words to express as. For that I told you as red as blood, as hot as iron. Why they use like that? To get a better poetic effect. And what is the simile means? It's a kind of figure of speech used in poem. And for most important, it adds beauty to writing. That's why poets use this figure of speech mostly. And these are the example: as brittle as glass, as dry as bone, as light as feather, as proud as a peacock. And refer page number, again I am telling you, refer page number 24 of textbook. In that you will be getting more similes. I have given you. Okay, I have given you that. So the copy down all this is very important. This is from your grammar book. Or this is not only for today, for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. The whole education, all this will come to use for you. So understand properly. Understand the definition. I explained it to you. What I am telling, or read the definition properly. Understand each word so that it will get registered in your mind. Understood? I hope you might have understood today's lecture. Copy it in your CW. Tomorrow I will come with another lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you.